guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's been safe, healthy, and crafty. Can't believe Father's Day is gone. It's over. The holidays are just passing by so fast. Next up is 4th of July. Then after that, it's nothing until Labor Day. Then after that, you know, once the kids go back to school, all the holidays are just going to come real fast. But anyways, I'm getting beyond myself. Today, this was another requested video. I was thinking we could make some marshmallows. These are pretty easy to make. This video should not take long at all. I'm going to show you how I make my marshmallows. So, I already made a couple. So the method for making the marshmallows is the same for any size, small, big. I have some that I made a while ago. These are hard already, like there's nothing gonna change that shape. I made a whole bunch of these. Little tiny ones, like for hot chocolate or any kind of drink that you wanted to make. See how that sounds? They hard. So you can make them ahead of time. You can make them in any color if you wanted to add color. The one thing I like about Model Magic is that once it dries, it's so easy to paint. And the paint goes on very nicely. All of these things I made over here are made with Model Magic, and the paint, it just goes on so nice with Model Magic. So if that's what you want to do, or if you want to add the color beforehand, you just take a little bit. I showed it several times how to just put some acrylic paint on there, mix it up, and then you can have whatever color you want. But I really think if you wanted to change the color, like if you wanted to make for Halloween, I just suggest you paint them orange, black. You want to make Christmas ones red, green. It's easier. I'm going to show a couple of steps on how to make different, like if you wanted to make a one on a stick, one standing up, whatever. So you take your Model Magic, you roll it in a ball, right? Then you just take it and you roll it like you're going to make a snake, but you're not going to make a snake. You're just going to keep rolling it. Then you're going to squash it down a little bit. Keep rolling it. Squashing it down. You can form it in your hands. But there go your marshmallow. Now, that was too easy. Let's do it again. So you take your Model Magic. Shape it into a ball. Take your ball and act like you're going to roll it into a snake. Then you stand it up, squish it down. Roll it some more. Flip it over to the other side, squish it down. Roll it some more until you feel it looks like a marshmallow. There you go. You got your marshmallow, right? Let's make a teeny tiny one. So like if you wanted to make a hot chocolate or something, you get a small one like this. Same method. This might be too big. I mean too much. Roll it into a ball. Roll it into a log. Take it, stand it up, smash it, roll it again, flip it to the other side, smash it down a little bit. Just work with it. And there go your marshmallow. Right? So, I'm going to put this away because I don't want to waste it. Now, I'm going to make a couple of patriotic, you can use anything. You could use a straw, you could use a lollipop stick to make your marshmallow pop like I did in this one. Or you don't have to use a stick at all. You could just make a plain one without a stick. So I'm gonna make a couple of patriotic ones. So I have these straws I got from Dollar Tree. Now the straws, if you think they too long, you could cut them in half. I don't really like them so long, but I guess I could leave them like that. But I got me some nonpareil sprinkles. These are fake sprinkles. I got them from Play Code 3. I'll leave the link down below. Then I got this patriotic wheel. It's from Annie's Treasures. These are also fake sprinkles. I'll leave that link below. You're gonna need a little bit of acrylic paint because we're gonna put a drizzle on top. You're gonna need some gloss, Mod Podge, a couple of disposable cups, a sandwich bag to put the drizzle in, a couple of stir sticks, and I think that's it. You don't need to, ooh, can't even open this thing. Maybe I should clean it off. Now this red is real bright, so you don't need a lot. Like this, you can make the drizzle any color you want. Blue, whatever color you want. Like if you want to make some Candyland themed ones. Ooh, what? Alright, let's see how this drip turns out. Now you know it's going to come out a little bit cloudy and then it's going to turn red after. So you're going to take, I'm going to cut this in half. I don't really like them so long. I'm thinking this is half. Now you always take the ugly side that you cut and stick it in your marshmallow. Now take your time. You can just do a twisting motion to get that in there. You don't want to lose the shape of your marshmallow. Do the same thing. Where's my other piece? Take the ugly piece. See that ugly piece right there? You don't want nobody to see that. You want the pretty side. Take it and you just twist it in there. Okay? So, you might need something to hold this up. Just get you a piece of foam. You know, you could get the big block if you're going to make a bunch of them. To hold that up. Okay? We're going to make one standing up and we're going to make one like a lollipop style. So, you're going to need another cup because you're going to use it to hold your sandwich bag. So you can put your drizzle in there. Makes it so much easier if you have something. Hope I made enough. I don't know if that's enough. So let's put a little bit more. Mod Podge. I think that's enough. Pour it into your sandwich bag. Make sure you get all of it. You're gonna need all of it. Ugh, I spilled some on the table. Put that to the side. Tie your bag off. I like to cut the ends off. Right? And then you're going to take this and you're going to cut the tiniest hole. You know, I always tell you guys to cut the tiniest hole you can possibly cut. So you can have control over the drip. If you make the hole too big, you're not going to really have any control over the tip. Over the drip, I mean. because it starts coming out too fast. So I made this tiniest hole. And we're going to take this one. Let's start with this one. But first, you put this right here so it won't spill. We don't need that cup. Put this away. Hold on a second. I wanted to get some stars. Got some of these stars I might use. Famous stars I couldn't find when I was making the video. So, you take this, well, and you want to go on the top. Cover the top. And you're going to come and you're going to make your drips. Take your time. I'm trying to be too fast. Take your drips. Just spread this around if you want. Just make sure it covers. Give it a little tap to get them drips going. Go back. You don't see a drip that you don't like, or you want it to drip further down, go on and add some more. That's why you got to make sure that your little hole is really small, because if not, you can't control that. Let's put some of this on there. Hold on, I don't want these to go everywhere. I want to be able to collect them, put them back in the bag. Uh-oh. Just put some sprinkles. Collect all them sprinkles that fell, honey. You know how I feel about these sprinkles. They expensive. We're going to pick up each and every one of them. Uh-oh, I knocked over my sprinkles. I mean, my marshmallow. Right? And I was kind of wanting to see if we could get some of these little, like a flag or something. This is a big flag right here. Put a little flag up on there. Boom, if you want it. Maybe I just put it in the middle. Maybe that didn't look the way I was planning in my head. You could put some of these. This pack of stars come with really tiny ones. See if I find a couple. Probably not, because you know how it is when you're looking for stuff. I don't want red because the drip is red, right? You don't want no red. You want blue or something, contrasting color. You can put some stars on there. I'm just doing whatever. You decorate it the way you want to decorate it. I need some glitter. I moved my glitter yesterday. I be moving stuff, but don't put it back after I'm done. So we're going to use some of this little bit of glitter right here. Because it has what they call it? Forgot the word. You know, I'm going to forget everything. But this glitter is pretty, pretty, pretty. Alright, so that's that one. Like I said, you could use the whole stick, but I'm just going to use that. Let's put it over here so you can see it. Now this one, we're going to do so it can stand up. So you take your drip, which I'm making a mess with over here. And it's the same method. Just go around, fill up the top. And just go around, make your drip. These are pretty simple to make. You can make a bunch of them at a time. Then you take your decorations, whatever you want. Let's just use some just regular old red, white, and blue sprinkles. Throw that on top. So we put a couple of these. Let's put a couple of these. And that's your little drip. You can take a star, put a star up in here. Get a big one. Put it right here. That. Take your marshmallow. So you got two options there. Drip down, so it can stand up, or you can stand it up like that, so it looks more like a lollipop. You could, if you wanted to make, oh, hey, wait a minute. I ain't put no glitter on here. No, we gotta put glitter. Yes, ma'am. Alrighty, now we good. So, like I was saying, like say you wanted to make this into a Christmas ornament. Hold on, let me move all this stuff out the way. I just don't want it to touch and I mess it up, because I'm known for that. So, right, if you wanted to make the standing up kind into an ornament, you just get you a little hook. You could get you like a they call eye pins, and they use for jewelry making. You can find them at Michael's in the jewelry section. Very cheap for a whole bunch of them. You stick it in there. You let that dry. Then you could put a regular like Christmas ornament hook through there and hang them on your tree. And these are very light, so they're not going to be heavy on your tree. And they look so cute. I made a bunch of them last year for my tree. So guys, I think that's it for the marshmallows. So you can just make them like this too. So you could put them on a cake if you wanted to put it on your cake. Or if you wanted to just like, you can make faces on them for Halloween, like a ghost, Frankenstein. You can do, so there's so many options. This is a blank canvas. You can do so much. You could turn this into a birthday cake, put drips going down, put a little candle in the middle. There's just so many options for marshmallows. Alright guys, so until the next video, I just want to say thanks for watching, thanks for following, thanks for subscribing and commenting. And I'm really glad that you guys are here, and I hope you like this marshmallow video. And until the next time, God bless.